Hi everyone, so for today's video, I'm going to cook a mushroom. Look at the mushroom, guys. Look at, see? This is the mushroom and the chicken breast fillet, and I have the chicken soup, all the vegetables in here. So let's start cooking. This is my own version of cooking. So first, I need to clean this mushroom. Take off this one, like that, and then remove this. Yeah, it takes time to remove it. This is nutritious mushroom. Like that. Just make sure it will remove after this one. After I will slice it. Yeah, like that. So it's already done. So I need to slice this one into half. So this is my own version of cooking, guys. So I don't know how you cook your mushroom, but for me this is my own recipe. I'm not perfect in cooking, but I try my best. Yeah, like that. Yeah, make it sure. It's really soft, this mushroom, very soft. So I'm done, guys. So I need to wash this one first. I'm done slicing. And this one, I will keep this one for, yeah, maybe I need this one. I don't need to put in the bin. Now I'm done slicing everything, carrots, onions, the garlic, and everything here, the beans and the pepper. So let's start cooking now. So now I need to put a little bit of oil. The garlic. Need to put first the garlic. The onions. Beans. So we need to put the green beans. There's different green beans that I bought last week. Okay. The carrots. So let's put the carrot first before everything this one, because carrots hard. So here the carrots. Just I only put one carrot because it's a big one, that's why. Spring onions, the root part. Yeah, like that. Chicken breast. So chicken breast is already diced, this one. Yeah, and the pepper. The bell pepper. So mix this one. So soy sauce. Soy sauce. I need to put a bit my favorite soy sauce, which is made from the Philippines. Soy sauce. So that not much. Of course, then last part is the mushroom. The mushroom. Yeah. So I already put the mushroom, guys. So the chicken soup. This is the chicken soup, guys. So mix this one here. This is creamy chicken soup. Look at. Oh, see? Just only cook this one for 2 minutes. So the spring onions. Let's put a little bit of spring onions. Not everything is too much spring onions. Okay. So it's ready now, guys. Ready to eat. Just put it here. Oh. So I need to taste this one. So the mushroom here. So it's like a creamy one because of the sauce. The sauce is perfect for this one. That's it, guys. So this is the mushroom. Very soft. And this creamy sauce is like it's aromatic. Good pair for the mushroom and the chicken. Wow. So this is my dinner today with rice, of course with rice. So that's it, my video for today, guys. I hope you click like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.